All right, we're going to work out cat finder. So you should stop and read the instructions. I'm going to start by making a count variable. Set it to 0. And then we're going to do a for loop. Go through all the rows. Int r equals 0, r less than arr dot length plus plus. Now we're going to go through all the columns. Int c equals 0, c less than arr at 0 dot length. Don't forget that. C plus plus. All right, and now we're going to take advantage of short circuit evaluation because the deal is anytime we find a c, then we know we have to look for a cat. So if arr at r at c dot equals a c, so if we have found a c, then we're going to do some stuff. And we don't need an else because if we haven't found a c, we don't care. And now in here, now we're going to do short circuit evaluation by checking if we're allowed to check any more to the right. Like this C, no problem. We can check 2 more spaces to the right. But this one, we're not allowed to check to the right. It would crash. So we're going to say if C is less than arr at 0 dot length minus 2. I mean, if we're in the third column from the right, then we can check if there's an A next door. And arr row c plus 1 dot equals an A, and arr row at column c plus 2 dot equals t. So the reason this is short circuit evaluation is it won't go over to these spots if this first one isn't true, because these are all ANDed together. But if the first thing, if we're in the third column from the right, then we can check if there's an A and a T. We're just checking to the right now. Then we say count plus plus. And then let's go down here and print. Run that, we should get 3 because there's 1, 2, 3 whole cats if you're reading from left to right. Awesome. And then still inside of we found a C, now we can check for the row. So right here, we're going to say if the row, now this is for checking down. So we're going to say if the row is less than arr dot length minus 2, meaning if we're no farther down than the third from the bottom row, and arr row plus 1 dot equals A, and I left off the column. No, it's column C, and arr row plus 2 column dot equals T, then again, count plus plus. So this should get us our answer 5 cats, because there's 2 up and down cats. And so check this out. If we don't do this, it's going to crash because like down here at this C, it's going to try to do AT off the end, and this C, it's going to this one, So anyway, I'm just showing you if you get area index out of bounds, that means you're not properly setting this up. You have to put the condition that makes sure you're not going too far first. So if that's not true, then it doesn't bother to check these other things. Remember, that's called short circuit evaluation. There you go. Lots of cats.